your girl Kay. Welcome back to my channel. You seen that title, you seen that thumbnail, you pretty much already know what this video is going to be about, babies. But yeah, before I get into the details of this video, I want to say make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're new, hey boo. So y'all know I am here with a hair review on a chestnut brown wig from AliPearl.com. Y'all know I always shop with them. I just recently posted a video of the 99J wig I purchased from them, which I am still in love with, you guys. Like, I get so many compliments on that wig. Like, everybody tells me that that wig color looks perfect with my skin, and it really just complements my personality, y'all. So I'm loving that wig. So if you haven't seen that video, make sure you go check it out. And if you're interested in purchasing a 99J wig from any company, you can kind of see, you know, how it looks and, you know, how mine's look. So whatever company you decide to go with, you can kind of just get an idea of how the 99J wig looks, okay? You can't go wrong, period, boo. But yes, you guys, shortly after I purchased that wig, your girl was up in the bed in the middle of the night. And y'all know how I get. You know how I get. I love purchasing things for me. And I seen this wig. And now somehow I snapped my fingers and now it's on my head. I was looking at it for weeks. And then I was like, I really want this wig. And, you know, all of a sudden, it just landed on my head. You know, I had purchased it and now it's here. And right now, I have some one curls in my wig right now. They're not very fresh. I ran my fingers through it, you know. But I'm going to give you guys a detailed review on this hair. I'm going to give you the details of this hair and how I feel about this hair. So, yeah, let's get into it. I have a little baby hairs going on. This is a 5x5 closure wig, you guys. That's all I wear. I know some people be thinking that I'm wearing like a frontal or full lace wig or whatever you call them, but no, all of my wigs are closures. You know, it's just easier to easier to maintain for me, and that's why I go with the closure wigs. As I tell you guys all the time, if you're interested in trying a wig and you have not tried a wig yet, sis, what are you waiting on? Make it happen. So this is actually a chestnut brown wig. I will put the details on the screen as well so you can see them. But this is a chestnut brown wig. I do like the color, but you guys, I must be honest. When I looked at the wig online, the color was much darker than this. It was much darker than this. Like, I did not know that the color was going to look like this. I like it, but it's not as dark as I thought it would be, because if you go online and you look at those photos, I may add that on the screen too. If you go online and look at the photos, you will see that the pictures of the girls with the hair that's supposed to be this wig, but I don't believe it is. Their hair is much darker than what this is. And as you can see the color. Yeah, it is a chestnut color, but it looked much darker online. But you know what? It's okay. I had paid for the wig. I waited for it. Once it got here, I was like, you know what? I'm not going to send it back. I'm just going to wear it, because it's not an ugly color at all, but it's just not what I thought I had ordered. Let me say it like that, okay? So as far as the length, this hair is 28 inches. Y'all know I'm a long weave type of girl, and that's just period, okay? Sometimes I do wear like the short little black hair, but when I purchase wigs, you guys, it's always 22 inches or more. You know, I'm a long hair type of girl. I'm 5'2". So let me stand up and kind of show you guys where the hair stop at for me. So it stops pretty long. It touches my butt, as you guys can see. But yeah, so it curls well, as you can see. I have washed this hair plenty of times so far, and it's doing pretty well. This is pretty much like, how long have I had this hair? What? This is a 2-week review, so I kind of will give this like an initial review on the hair. So far, so good. Minimal shedding, minimal tangling, very manageable hair. And many people ask me about this company. I have told you guys many times that this company is a go-to. If you're considering purchasing a wig and you do not know what company to go with AliPearl. Let that be your first wig you try out, because if you try out a wig from a bad company for the first time, it's going to put a bad taste in your mouth about wigs, period. Okay. And we don't need that, because we need you to be wearing these wigs. But yeah, you guys, The hair is really, really nice. Really, really nice. It holds curls. What I can say about the hair is that, you know, the ends look good. It's just some good hair. Like, it's just overall some good hair. Like, as you can see me running my fingers through it right now. I decided to go with the middle part to slightly resemble the 99J wig that I purchased from AliPearl. But yeah, this is a 5x5 closure wig, 250% density. I always forget to say that, you guys, 250% density. Like I have told you guys many, many times, when I purchase a wig, I always go for a higher density because when I put my curls and wand curls and stuff in my hair, I love that volume look. Now, if I get a thinner wig and I try to curl it, it's not going to look as big and as pretty as I like it. So I always go with a higher density, but you know, the higher the density, the more you pay. Just like with the inches, the longer the hair, the more you will pay. Okay, so this wig was $400, you guys. It being 28 inches, it's a 5x5 closure wig, you know, 250% density. I figure I'll be paying a little bit more for the wig. They do have sales at times that you can catch, you know, so if you go on there and you find a wig, I say eye the wig for a few days, keep checking back to see if the price changed, see if they have a discount code or something for you to use, because it's been many times I would, like with this wig, I checked and looked and it was a little bit higher, and then when I decided to actually purchase the wig, it was a little bit, the price had went down a little bit. It still was expensive, but the price had went down. But one thing I can say, I don't mind paying $400 for my wigs because they last me. I can switch it up and do something different. To me, it's better than paying $400, $300 for an install on your head, because it's only going to last for a few weeks and then you're going to need to go back and get your hair done, compared to you paying $400 up front. And you take good care of your wig, you wash it, you condition it, you do what you need to do to it, and you can pull it out whenever you want to. It's like so convenient, you guys. It's so convenient. It actually gives my natural hair a break. And I really say that you should consider AliPearl if you're considering buying a wig. Y'all know the two companies that I shop with for my wigs are AliPearl Hair and Asteria Hair. So if you are considering purchasing, check them out. This video is not sponsored. I am not getting paid in any way, but your girl wish she was, but she not. One day I will. Mark my words. Manifest the life you want. But yeah, you guys, I had to drop in and give y'all details on this hair. This 250% density chestnut brown 28-inch 5x5 closure wig. Period, honey. Don't play. And I'm gonna give y'all another look. Another look. Another look. It's so pretty. Look at it. But yeah, you guys, thank you so very much for checking into this hair review very fast. I just had to let y'all know because y'all love to spam my comments on where you get your hair, So I like to go ahead and let y'all know. I love you guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.